Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to show you how to see your reposted videos on TikTok. So let us use this one as an example. Now, what you want to do is if you go down to the bottom of the page on the right hand side, there's an arrow, it's the share button, and here you want to tap on repost. Now once you've tapped on repost, we can also just go into the comment section and it'll actually show that you've reposted it, right? So what we want to do here is go into our profile. Now TikTok has no direct feature to be able to see whatever videos you've reposted. Now what we can do is we can actually on this video, as we repost it, we can tap on the icon just above the share button, which will add it to your favorites list. Now we can go into our profile, and from our profile we can go ahead and navigate to our favorites list. Now, once we navigate to our favorites list, you'll see over here, these are two of the videos that I have in my favorites list. And now I can go to collections and I can create a collection. And here I can call this reposts, right? We can either make it public or private. We can then tap on next. And here we can select the video that we would like to add into there. Now you can organize yourself much better and you've created your own list of reposts that you have reposted on TikTok. If this was a helpful guide, please drop us a like, show your support, and we'll see you in another amazing video. Cheers for now.